Hello students, in this video we will solve this problem. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 32 meters. So we have a rectangular plot. Let this be our rectangular plot and its perimeter is 32 meters. So if we take this as length, this as breadth, we know perimeter is 2 into L plus B, right? This is given as 32 meters. Now what will be L plus B? If you send this 2 on the other side, it will divide with 32. So L plus B will be equal to 16. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So we got the first equation very easily, right? Now to derive the second equation, one more condition is given here. See, if the length is increased by 2 meters, now this is the original length L. Now it is increased by 2 meters. Now the length is L plus 2. And the breadth is decreased by 1 meter. The breadth is decreased. Now this is 1 b minus 1. It is decreased by 1 meter. Okay, length is increased by 2 meters, so I wrote L plus 2, and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, so I wrote b minus 1. Okay, the area of the plot remains the same. What is the area of this? Tell me. This is length, this is breadth, right? So area, we know it is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So if we take area as A, length is L plus 2 multiplied by breadth b minus 1. So length is L plus 2, breadth is b minus 1. Okay, and what will be the area here? In this first case, area will be L into b. Okay, what is more interesting here is this A is equal to L into b. What is more interesting here is the area is not changing. The area of this rectangular plot, the area of this rectangular plot is same. All right, so let us multiply this. L into b is LB. L into 1 is L with minus sign, because plus into minus will give us minus. Now 2 into b is 2b, plus into plus is plus, so plus into minus minus, 2 into 1 will give us 2. Okay, so this is A, but area is L into b, it is not changing, so this A we can replace with LB. So this is L multiplied by b, this is L multiplied by b, minus L plus 2b minus 2. Okay, if we send everything on one side, on this side everything, LB minus LB, this LB plus LB goes on the other side, becomes minus. This plus L goes on the other side, becomes, this minus L goes on the other side, becomes plus. This plus 2b will become minus 2b. This one becomes plus, is equal to 0. LB LB we can cancel. Plus LB minus LB is 0. So L minus 2b plus 2 is equal to 0. We got the second equation. Okay, what is the first equation? L plus b minus 16 is equal to 0. This 16 we send this side, so this is our first equation and this is our second equation. All right, I hope this is clear. We can take length as x and breadth as y also. It is up to us, it is the student's choice. Now let us simplify this. L plus b minus 16 is equal to 0 is 1, and L minus 2b plus 2 is equal to 0 is another equation. We have two equations, right? So what we can do here is, let us find the value of L. So L will be equal to, say this is 16 minus b. We are sending the 16 and b on the other side. So minus 16 will become plus 16, plus b will become minus b. So here L is equal to 2b, minus 2b will become plus 2b, plus 2 will become minus 2. If you observe carefully, LHS and RHS here, and LHS and RHS here, LHS are same. This is L, this is L. That means we can equate 16 minus b with 2b minus b. So 16 minus b will be equal to 2b minus b. Okay, all b values one side, so send this b this side. 16 is equal to 2b plus b. This is minus b, goes on the other side, becomes plus b. This is minus 2, goes on the other side, becomes plus 2. So 2 plus 16 is 18. 18 is equal to 3b. or b will be equal to 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, so we got the breadth of the plot as 6. All right, so let us substitute b is equal to 6 in the first equation. Okay, what is it? It was L plus B is equal to 16. So this is L plus B is how much? 6 is equal to 16. So L will be equal to 16 minus 6, which will be equal to 10. So length is 10 and breadth is 16. Okay, this is the solution. All right, let us check whether it is correct or not. See, he gave us perimeter is 32. So if this is length 10, this is breadth, this will also be 10, this will also be 6, because it is rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. So 10 plus 10 is how much? 20. 6 and 6 is how much? 12. So 20 plus 12 will give us 32. So perimeter condition is satisfied. Okay, if length is increased by 2 meters, now see here, original length is 10, now it will be 12 because it is increased by 2, and breadth is decreased by 1. Original breadth is 6, it is decreased now by 1, so it will be 5. So the area, see, 12 into 5, the area of this will be 60. 12 5 is 60. What is the area now? See, length into breadth, 10 into 6, this is also 60. So see, area is not changing, hence our answer is correct. Length is equal to 10 and breadth is equal to 6. Thank you so much for watching the video.